Alright, here we are.
What up?
Back on the channel. Two Motos here. We got something special going down today.
Yep,
Post show. Y'all might have, well, you might not know. Some of y'all might remember Julian. One of his Jixers caught on fire.
Yeah, lit up.
What an idiot!
Yeah, and it's a hot mess. But that's all gonna change because
Look what we got right here. Again, we hit up our sponsors, ABS Fairings. Make sure to check them out. We'll put the link in the description. They were able to hook us up with the new fairing kit for the street Jixer that caught on fire. As you know, in the previous videos, I was able to bring it back to life mechanically. Cosmetically, it looks ugly, but now with this new fairing kit, it's gonna look great. So I am gonna open it up. It has not been opened at all.
Yep.
So
he hasn't seen it. I haven't seen it.
remember, whenever you're installing kits, no matter where you buy them from, but make sure you get them from ABS. But wherever you get them from, always put your heat shields on the fairings first. You know, don't ever turn on the bike, put the fairings on. Don't have these on there, because say goodbye to your fairings.
Yeah, you never know. They can get really hot, and you're gonna melt through the fairings. You don't want that.
If you live in the Southwest, like we do, California, Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico, goodbye to your fairings if you don't put those on. Alright, so it looks like they gave us a dark windscreen, which is pretty cool of them. Usually I think they just give a regular windscreen, which is fine. I would have been cool with it, but it's smoke.
Oh, it's kind of got a bluish tint.
Yeah, it's
like
tint.
bluish green. Oh, that's not black.
That is not. That
it's like a greenish tint. You can't really tell on camera, but when we put it into the light, you can probably see.
It's gonna match the color of the fairings that we chose and the gas tank that we repainted too, by the way. Which I'm gonna show the gas tank at the end. I got it repainted. So that's pretty cool. Thank you for that.
That's pretty unique, actually.
It is, right? The color.
That actually is gonna. You might have to rock that one.
Oh yeah. Alright, we got the first side molding. I'm gonna be careful opening this.
Damn, these are all. Notice how these are all perfectly individually wrapped.
Yeah, they did a great job with that.
So when you order from ABS Fairings, your stuff is not gonna come damaged.
Yeah.
Just look at that. Yeah,
take it out.
It's the one right here.
Cool, they give me all the little moldings, even for the rear seat, you know, if I have a passenger seat or a seat cowl. You know, that's a cool little touch with the kit, the tank. So, I'll be right back in about 5 seconds and I'm going to show you why we picked that color to match.
flick them?
No.
Nah, I won't flick them, guys. I won't flick them.
Dance the tank. Yo, you did your thing.
Alright, so how you feel about the color?
Good. I love the color. It looks good with the tank. We got to buy on it.
Word? Oh, shit.
Diesel approves too, you know. He's like, yeah, get on that bike. What? Go get it. But yes, the color, I love it. Can't wait to put it on. Obviously, it's gonna be part of the same video, so you'll see it right now while I'm putting it on.
I lied.
It's gonna look great, and once I get it on a full test ride, it's gonna look just amazing out in the sun right now. So for now,
Yeah, it really does. In the sun, it's just like it's like looking at it in the shade.
yeah, it doesn't do well in the shade.
Yeah, it looks cool, but then you put it in the sun and it's like boom, it's like a whole nother color, it just glows.
Yeah, what would you call it? What is it? Sparkle or what do you call
Oh,
it?
they call it a flake.
A flake. I'm sorry, yeah, that's the right word. They put the flake on the paint, which is great because the flake on the gas tank is also there. So now it's actually gonna look like we said in the sun. It's gonna look amazing. Can't wait to put it, in the canyon and break it in and just show it off. And then I might actually do a new exhaust on it too, so we can give it a nice look. Because the Two Brothers exhaust that's on there, as badass as it sounds, it looks ugly. So we're not sure if I'm gonna do a Graves. You know, Diesel's not sure either. But for sure, might do a Graves or Acropovic. Let me know in the comments below what you think I should put on, because that'll be in the next video. So if you have an idea of what exhaust I should put on, Acropovic or Graves, let me know. Oh, you gotta close it?
Yeah,
Shit.
you have to like cover the whole shit, or else it like just shows your hands. What's up, dog?